You don't need a big bike to enjoy real adventure. These compact adventure motorcycles are light, capable, and, most importantly, comfortable enough for long-distance touring. Let's check out the best in the 300 to 500 cubic centimeters class. Starting off at number 7 on our list of top 7 small adventure bikes that are surprisingly comfortable, we have the Zantis T350. This is a lightweight, tech-loaded adventure bike that's perfect for riders who value comfort, modern features, and day-to-day versatility. It's powered by a 348 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, producing around 38 horsepower and 32 newton-meters of torque, more than enough for cruising city streets, country roads, or light trail exploring. And thanks to its smooth power delivery and lightweight frame, this bike feels easy, especially for older riders looking for comfort without the bulk. What really makes the T350 stand out is its feature set. You get a full-color TFT display, tire pressure monitoring system, keyless start, and even an electronically adjustable windshield, all standard. These are features you'd typically find on bikes twice the price. And speaking of price, the Zantis T350 starts at just around $4,000, depending on variant and region. That's serious value for an adventure-ready machine packed with premium tech. So, if you want a stylish, well-equipped small ADV bike that won't break your back or your wallet, the Zantis T350 is a smart and comfortable choice. Coming in at number 6 is a bike that's been turning heads in the small ADV segment, the CFMOTO 450 MT. Now, this isn't just a scaled-down adventure bike. It's built from the ground up to go the distance. With a 449 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, the 450 MT delivers a solid 43 horsepower and 44 newton-meters of torque, making it one of the most powerful options in its class. But what really sets it apart is the chassis. It comes with a 21-inch front wheel, 18-inch rear, long travel suspension with 200 millimeters of travel, and a seat height of 800 millimeters, which is surprisingly manageable considering its off-road focus. And at around 175 kilograms dry, it remains agile for both newer riders and seasoned adventurers alike. The 450 MT also brings solid comfort, a relaxed upright riding position, wide bars, and a plush seat that works well even for longer days in the saddle. Add to that a 5-inch TFT display, ride-by-wire throttle, slipper clutch, and switchable ABS, and you've got a true adventure-ready machine at your fingertips. As for the price, the CFMOTO 450 MT starts at around $6,499. So if you're over 40 and looking for a small adventure bike with real off-road chops and modern comfort, the CFMOTO 450 MT is more than worth a look. At number 5, we have a bike that might not be on everyone's radar, but absolutely deserves a spot on this list. The Vogue DS525X. Vogue, a premium sub-brand of Lanson, has been steadily making a name for itself in the adventure scene. The DS525X is powered by a 494 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, producing around 47 horsepower and 44.5 newton-meters of torque. It's Euro 5 compliant and delivers smooth, accessible power that's perfect for long-distance comfort without feeling sluggish. The adventure-ready chassis features KYB long travel suspension, 19-inch front and 17-inch rear spoke wheels, and dual-purpose tires, making it capable both on the highway and on gravel trails. And thanks to a seat height of around 830 millimeters and a relatively slim waist, it's easier to handle than it looks, even for shorter or older riders. Comfort-wise, the DS525X doesn't disappoint. Upright ergonomics, a wide windscreen, handguards, and a large 17-liter fuel tank make it ideal for touring. Add in features like a full-color TFT dash with Bluetooth, dual-channel ABS, and slipper clutch, and you get a very complete package. Now for the pricing, $6,900. So if you're in the market for a mid-sized ADV that's versatile, comfortable, and surprisingly well-equipped, the Vogue DS525X might just be your next favorite ride. Sliding into number 4, we have a proven name in the small adventure world, the Kawasaki Versys-X 300. Don't let the small engine fool you. This bike is built for real-world touring comfort, wrapped in a lightweight and approachable package. It's powered by a 296 cubic centimeters parallel twin, borrowed from the Ninja 300, putting out around 39 horsepower and 26 newton-meters of torque. That high-revving twin loves to be pushed, giving you just enough excitement without being intimidating. Weighing in at just 175 kilograms wet, and with a manageable seat height of 815 millimeters, it's a fantastic choice for older riders who want a light, reliable bike that's easy to maneuver, especially during long days in the saddle or stop-and-go traffic. But where the Versys-X 300 really shines is comfort. The wide handlebars, upright riding position, and generous windscreen make it surprisingly capable on the highway. Kawasaki also equipped it with long travel suspension and a 19-inch front wheel, making it more adventure-capable than most street-biased rivals. As for features, you get a traditional analog digital dash, rear rack included from the factory, and ABS as standard in most markets. It may not have flashy TFT screens or ride modes, but what it offers is simple, proven, and built to last. Now let's talk price. The 2025 Kawasaki Versys-X 300 starts at around $6,199. So if you're over 40 and want to go anywhere, no-nonsense adventure machine, the Versys-X 300 is a smart, dependable partner for the road ahead. At number 3, we have a true off-road warrior in a small package, the KTM 390 Adventure R. This isn't just a travel-friendly street bike with adventure styling. It's a serious machine built for riders who want real off-road capability without going big or heavy. The heart of the 390 Adventure R is a 373 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, producing about 44 horsepower and 37 newton-meters of torque. It's punchy, responsive, and paired with a slick 6-speed gearbox and slipper clutch that makes shifting smooth and precise. Where the R really earns its badge is in the suspension. You get fully adjustable WP-Sploor front forks and rear monoshock, something you usually only see on larger, much more expensive bikes. Add to that a proper 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheel setup with spoke rims, and you've got a true off-road-ready platform that doesn't compromise on trail handling. Despite its tough nature, KTM hasn't forgotten comfort. You get a tall, upright seating position, adjustable handlebars, a comfortable split seat, and a 5-inch TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity. Ride modes, traction control, cornering ABS, and off-road ABS also come standard, giving you serious control both on and off the pavement. And for the price, the 2025 KTM 390 Adventure R starts at around $7,599. So if you're an experienced rider over 40 looking for a light, nimble adventure bike that can tackle the real dirt, the 390 Adventure R is ready to take you further, comfortably and confidently. Coming in strong at number 2 is a bike that's completely redefined what it means to be rugged and comfortable in the entry-level ADV segment, the Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. This all-new generation Himalayan is built from the ground up, and it shows. Powered by the brand-new 452 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine, it produces 39.5 horsepower and 40 newton-meters of torque. It's a significant leap in refinement, smoothness, and usable power over the previous 411 model. One of the biggest highlights is the new Sherpa 450 platform, which brings a lighter chassis, better weight distribution, and a much more responsive feel, both on-road and off. Long travel Showa suspension, 21-inch front and 17-inch rear wheels, and switchable rear ABS make it more capable than ever when the pavement ends. But here's the best part. It's surprisingly comfortable. The upright riding posture, wide handlebars, and improved seat design make long hours in the saddle genuinely enjoyable. And for the first time, Royal Enfield gives you a full-color circular TFT dash, with turn-by-turn navigation powered by Google Maps, plus smartphone connectivity. Feels fresh, modern, and intuitive. And what about pricing? The new Himalayan 450 starts at just around $5,399. So, if you're over 40 and looking for a bike that's just as happy climbing mountain trails as it is cruising country roads, the Royal Enfield Himalayan 450 might be exactly what you've been waiting for. And at number 1, topping our list of small adventure bikes that are surprisingly comfortable, we have the all-new Honda NX500. This is Honda's latest take on the middleweight ADV category, replacing the outgoing CB500X with a fresh, sharper, more adventure-focused machine. It's powered by the familiar and proven 471 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, making a smooth 47 horsepower and 43 newton-meters of torque, perfectly balanced for everyday use, weekend exploration, and even long-haul touring. What really sets the NX500 apart is how refined it feels. The ride is buttery smooth, throttle response is predictable, and the suspension, now with longer travel, eats up rough roads with ease. The bike features USD Showa forks, a revised chassis for better stability, and a lighter overall feel, even though it still weighs around 196 kilograms wet. Comfort is classic Honda. The seat is redesigned for better long-distance support. Wind protection is enhanced with a larger windshield, and the ergonomics strike a perfect balance between upright control and all-day comfort. The NX500 also brings modern features like a bright 5-inch TFT display, Honda RoadSync connectivity via Bluetooth, and full LED lighting. It's tech-savvy, but never overwhelming, just enough to enhance your ride without getting in the way. And the price? The NX500 starts at around $7,299. So, if you're over 40 and want a reliable, stylish, and incredibly comfortable small adventure bike that can take you anywhere without beating you up along the way, the Honda NX500 is the one to beat.